In this video, we're going to summarize all the strategies and advice that I gave you in the previous videos. So, as we have said, please remember to look at keywords. It can be dates, names, places. These are very useful to know the answer to all the various questions that you will need to reply. Remember, the spelling is very important. A word that is spelled wrong will be incorrect and you will be given 0 points for that answer. Remember also to never leave blank in case you just guess what could be the possible answer, and you will have many more chances of getting it right. Time management is probably the most difficult aspect of the reading of the IELTS. But if you use the technique of skim reading and scan reading, you will manage your time effectively. Remember to insert directly the answer to your question while you answer to them. And remember, you will not be allowed any extra time at the end of the hour. When you extrapolate information from the text, they need to be exactly as you find them in the text. Do not change them, do not interpret them, do not modify them in any ways. Also, don't get obsessed with the details. As we have seen, you don't need to know all the words or all the topics that are being covered. You just need to have a general overview, and you need to be ready to extract the right information to then insert them in the answer sheet. When you practice for your IELTS reading, it may be very useful to give yourself less time than the actual test. So instead of having an entire hour, try doing the test in 50 minutes, maybe also in 40, 45. This practice will help you manage your time at your best and also be ready for any possible challenges, like a bit of distraction in the test room or maybe a bit of anxiety that you may feel at the beginning. So when you practice and you give yourself less time, you're getting ready for any challenges, and you will have way more chances to then get a higher score when you do the actual exam in 1 hour. And overall, remember that the IELTS does not test your IQ, but it really tests your skills. And that's a great news, because skills can be mastered, skills can be practiced. You don't need to be born with them. Most of us are not. So I hope that this video has really helped you to get the highest grade in the IELTS reading and to manage your practice at your best.